Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix sleep mode not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search. Scroll down and click on clock app. After click on clock app, click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache clock app. After clear cache clock app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so reset all settings. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter your phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix sleep mode not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.